Tesla Tips and Trips has just stumbled on, in the wild, a Tesla Model X, brand new, manufacturer plates. Cannot buy this car yet. I think it's January is the first delivery.
Tesla Model X plaid.
Tesla, I don't know if it's a plaid or not. There's the Yoke steering wheel. Has the landscape,
And like a charging panel on the door.
yeah, and over there across the way you can see some sort of weird thing on the door. Let's do a quick walk around. There's some other interesting stuff on the other side. Chrome deleted, which the current models do not have. What's interesting is on this side, there's a wire bundle for some sort of testing inside. Obviously the landscape LCD, you can see the Yoke steering wheel over there. So there you go, folks. A little walk around. Tesla Model X plaid. Well, I don't know if it's a plaid. We'll call it a plaid. There's no badging on it though.
There's car seats in the back.
Car seats in the back, so a little family road trip. And a Tesla Model X you cannot buy yet. Very cool. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell over there at Tesla Tips and Trips. Very, very cool.